This is why I love my car. I can fit all the race stuff on my car. Got the jack. Got the slickos. Stock holder. Stock wastegate. Stock turbo. Stock charge pipes. Just a little down pipe, you know, a little fucking 3-incher, you know. That's it. Don't be scared, guys. That's it, guys. Fucking stock ass 4-banger. God damn. So many guys out there are scared. We'll see. Catch me slipping. Irwindale tonight. I'll be there. Just did my first pass, 7.8. All right, we're consistent. Let's try to get into the 7.7s or 7.6 at least. Come on.
Reaction time down for 1,000 of a second. Mustang goes 780 for 80 to a 980, 74 to 94 miles an hour. And the Mustang turnout. He's coming to a stop. No, don't do that. Mustang, 4-cylinder Mustang, V8 Camaro. Turbocharged Mustang. He's run before, but he is very slow to stage tonight over the left lane. Full stage for the Camaro. Got a
V8. 7.8. 7.8. Look at my 60-foot 1.6. The fuck, Hans? Man, I got a better 60-foot than that, man. I would have been a 7.6 probably, or a low 7.7. Fuck.